Hello everyone, today I will show you how to recover old WhatsApp messages. And here's how it is done. If you've got a new iPhone or accidentally deleted WhatsApp, you may want to recover your messages. In this guide, I will show you two ways to restore them. First, open WhatsApp and tap Settings at the bottom right. Then select Chats and go to Chat Backup. Here, you will see if your messages have been backed up to the cloud. If a recent backup exists, simply install WhatsApp on your new device. Enter your new phone number, and your messages should automatically be restored. The second method involves checking your iCloud backup. Open Settings, tap your name at the top, then select iCloud. Scroll down and tap Show All under Apps using iCloud. Then find WhatsApp on the list. Next, go back and select iCloud Backup. Then tap on your most recent backup. If WhatsApp is included in this backup, you will see its file size listed. You can restore your iPhone from this backup to recover your messages. That's everything you need to know about how to recover old WhatsApp messages. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.